home and he didn't know he died. Looked into his eyes and contemplated suicide. Imagine losing your father, you're only 15. His days are getting darker, all the shit this kid's seen already. Shoulders heavy, no mum's spaghetti, cause mum died giving birth to him and his twin Terry. What a martyr. Left up to the father, but the father was addicted to drugs, which are getting harder. Made it harder for the family, drove him to insanity. Watch this space, cause this case is a calamity. This kid, no longer even as a sibling. Terry ran away to join the gang and now they miss him. Listen, this kid's alone, my homies never even fucking moan. Can't even use the phone cause his dad spent it on methadone. He don't know what to do, who the fuck is his next of kin? Blade to his wrist while his dad's dead next to him. It's a fucked up world with fucked up boys and fucked up girls. They say they're trying to fix it and the dysfunctional families, but how can it be with these addictive personalities? It's a fucked up world with fucked up boys and fucked up girls. They say they're trying to fix it with the dysfunctional families, but how can it be with these addictive personalities? Marcus drops the blade, looks round to his daddy. I know you tried for me, Papa, I'ma make you happy. He grabs the telephone, rings up the police. Excuse me, officer, my dad is deceased. He's grieving, but already leaving. He's packing up his bags and he's heading out this evening to turn his life around. Packs the knife he found purely for protection. No strap, he doesn't like the sound, it's too familiar. Saying that he's killing ya, but it don't take skill to let it pop and pull the trigger. Does so Marcus, surrounded by the darkness, is trying to work it out, walking, but a vision of a carcass is lingering. Acts like it ain't a thing to him. Inside he's dying, realizing he won't sing a hymn at his father's funeral. Won't see him looking beautiful, but oh shit, what's this he found in this cubicle? It's a fucked up world with fucked up boys and fucked up girls. They say they're trying to fix it and the dysfunctional families, but how can it be with these addictive personalities? It's a fucked up world with fucked up boys and fucked up girls. They say they're trying to fix it and the dysfunctional families, but how can it be with these addictive personalities? Sweating a couple keys of coke, shoved up his jumper, he runs and goes for broke. It's been a month of pure profit. This kid is fucking on it, an entrepreneur. I'm sure this kid has got it, he knows all the areas, knows who is by his eyes, getting confident. So books up to go and try a car. Immediately they grabbed him, shook him up and slapped him, chucked him in the boot. Poor kid don't know what's happening. They beat him, made him bloody like it was a fucking custom, cause they found the kid who was stealing all the customers. They brought out a kid with a gun, he held it steady. The kid looked at Marcus, but Marcus looked at Terry. They said if you kill this guy, then you'll earn your stripes. Stared in his brother's eyes, cried and watched him as he died. See, Terry found escape, but the only way to get it was to shoot his own brother in the head. He can't forget it, but he's done it. It's a fucked up world with fucked up boys and fucked up girls. They say they're trying to fix it and the dysfunctional families, but how can it be with these addictive personalities? It's a fucked up world with fucked up boys and fucked up girls. They say they're trying to fix it and the dysfunctional families, but how can it be with these addictive personalities?